President, you announced a 3-day ceasefire in the Ukraine-Russia war. Do you anticipate that will be any longer than 3
Could
days?
be. I mean, it could be. It'd be nice. I'd like to see it stop. Russia, Ukraine, it's the worst thing since World War II in terms of life. 25,000 young soldiers every month. It's crazy. So it could very well be.
Was it Putin that asked for the ceasefire? Was it Putin that asked for the ceasefire? Did he ask you?
No. I asked, and President Putin agreed. President Zelensky agreed, both readily. And we have a little period of time where they're not going to be killing people. That's very good.
You hope it lasts?
And they also agreed to give 1,000 on each side, 1,000 prisoners back. So they're going to be transferring almost immediately 1,000 prisoners from each side. That's very good. Russia, Ukraine.
You plan to talk to them again to try to
Yeah,
get this
I will. I'd like to see a big extension. Okay?
President.